No more comments from you. Video started. Okay. There's a nice field over here. I'm going to show you some of the sporting facilities that they have here at the villages at Coverley. Here there's a very nice big field, stadium style, so spectators can stay there and watch. And they play football, sometimes even volleyball and other activities. And then there's a lot of space for parking cars. At the back they have other facilities. I think they are currently playing, I don't know whether it's volleyball or, I can see people, well you can't see them here, but they're over there. We're going to go all the way around and meet them. But this place is really big. All of this is residential buildings. That place, you have a lot of shops. That's where we came from. Restaurants, places to eat, places to shop. There's massive stores over there. And then residential buildings everywhere. And it's a lot of houses. So we come here and we see these facilities here. You can play basketball. These are some of the houses again. You see here, I have people playing basketball, a couple of children who live around here. So you play basketball, road tennis, volleyball, a couple of things you can do here. It's really nice. Let's cross over and see if we can get a better view. Some people even come here to skate, and the place is really clean and fresh and nice. And inside here, inside this place, there are no pets allowed, as you can see, but it's a really nice place. Look at that. And then this is hardball court, and then you can see all the stuff. Okay, moving on. So all the way around, sometimes we come here in the evening. This is around what time am I making this video? Around 4 o'clock. So many of the people are either at work or at school, or there are a lot of medical students here who go to the Ross University. So they're usually at work or at school. But if you come back here around 6 p.m., 6 to 8 p.m. thereabout, you're going to see a lot of activity happening here. People jogging on these roads, shopping at Massey, at the restaurants, people playing different sports, pickleball, road tennis, lawn tennis, football, volleyball. There's so much activity happening here in the evening. And that time, I should probably do a different video somewhere around that time so you can see how busy this place gets. It's a really lively community around here. And these are the residential buildings. Very nice. Very, very nice. You can go online and see how to rent or buy any of these properties if you're thinking of staying here when you come to Barbados or just visiting. So these are some of the medical students in their natural habitat, like I like to call them, and studying, group studies generally. As someone who was in med school myself, I understand the culture here. It's a very nice, friendly community when you can have people who are in school with you, living together in the same community. You guys have practically the same free time. You have the same subjects that you're studying, the same anatomy, pharmacology, pathology, and so on and so forth. So this is a very nice community to be in. But also, there are so many people who are not medical students here who are just coming for vacation or just to visit Barbados. And sometimes the problem that they have is where they go to, there is no vibrant life or community. So they have to go to some very expensive touristy places to feel like they are doing something, right? But the advantage that Villages at Coverley has is that on days that you don't feel like doing all those Harrison Cave, beach going, oysters, fish fry, all those things that you would like to do generally. I mean, it's not every day you just want to go out and do a bunch of stuff. Right here in the community at Villages at Coverley, you can still have fun. You can meet people. You can play sports with people, walk around with people, talk to people, engage, make new friends. So you can just come and visit and stay here, and it'll feel like you're very integrated. I come here a lot to watch the, the sports and participate sometimes and make friends. And it's honestly, it's a nice place. If you live in Barbados and you're looking for, a place to integrate, this is great. A great community for that. My favorite part of it, however, is parking. You will never lack a place to park. Look at this. There's so many cars, and there are still like over 50 empty parking spots that I've counted. There's always somewhere to park. This is a new Starbucks place that recently opened. So, could visit there sometime. I don't drink coffee, so I have no idea what the fascination is with coffee. Somebody in the comment section tell me why people love coffee so much. Here we have massive stores. I'm going to do a different video. I'm showing you what it's like to shop and what some of the prices are in Barbados. A lot of you have been asking about prices in Barbados, and depending on where you shop, you're going to have different prices naturally, but the prices aren't going to be so far apart. Like some things might be $2 in a shop, and in another supermarket you go to, it's $2.50 or $3, generally within the same price range. So I don't know which one is going to be better. Do you want me to shop at different supermarkets like massive stores, Cost You Less, Price Mart, iMart, and all of these places, and show you what the price of certain things are in those locations? Or do you want me to just do a video where I give you like the average of the general prices in those different stores? Let me know what you think, and I'll make the video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Let me give you a quick view of this. Say hi.
Okay, it will still be on there.